Hello, maurieo, AutoCAD Basic 15.1, Printing Layouts and Check Plots. Hello, welcome. In this instructional video we will be looking at plotting a layout to a file and printing a check plot from model space. And so you'll plot layouts and create check plots. Check plots, very important. Part of the QA process, so that you have proof and evidence that you actually check your work, which is really good. So let's get started. We'll move over to the AutoCAD space here, and let's see what they have us do as shown in such and such there. So open College Building 1 am.drawing. So there, open, not new, drawing, and college building 1 am.drawing. Here it is here. Okay, so here's the drawing, and it's coming to us by the looks like in model space. Okay, switch to the classroom wing layout tab. Oh yes, classroom wing layout tab that we did there, and verify that you are in paper space. Yes, we are. We're in paper space, and we've got the classroom wing layout tab there, pretty much looking how it all does there. Okay, all right. In the plot dialog box, note that printer, so in the output tab, plot panel, so we go there and there's plot there. I think that's the where we're talking about, or is it? Right, click plot. No, the output tab, home, output. Oh, there's output. Okay, plot. All right, and note that printer, plotter, paper size, and other options. So continue to plot. It's okay. Note that the printer, plotter, paper size, and other options are all set according to the page set up for this layout. Yep. Okay. The layout is set to use the DWF6 eplot. The DW6 eplot.pc3, which is here. Yes, that's correct. And it automatically plots to a file. Click preview. So here's preview here, and yeah, that's what we're going to get, something that looks like that. The viewing indicate that you are in zoom real-time mode. Okay, zoom in a little, right click and select the pan. So zoom in a little, right click and set the pan, and that enables you to pan about. Okay, after experimenting with panning and zooming, right click and select exit. Oh yeah, to return to the to the dialog box. Okay, click OK to create the plot file. Okay, and then it's right click again, click OK, accept the default file name and save it in your practice folder. So we want to go to our practice folder. Well, I'm saving everything. Well, this looks like we're going here, AutoCAD course files. Perhaps I should start a new folder, and I'll call it practice folder. Okay, oh, caps lock. That's the practice folder there. So we'll go into there and college building, and this is a DWF plotter, and we'll go save, I suppose. Yep, that's it there, and that's a DWF. DWF is like the AutoCAD version of the AutoCAD version of PDF. Okay, all right. In the status bar, a balloon message. Here's our balloon message. Click to view the plot and publish details to display the... Okay, so we click that there, and that tells us all about it and all sorts of carry on, and then we just close. Okay, all right, so now we're on to task 2, which is to print check plots. So in this task you'll create a check plot. Start the plot command again, which is up here, and we'll just continue to a single plot sheet, and set the paper size to ISO A4. So that's here, ISO A4. ISO A4, 210 by 297. So that's that one there. And click preview. Only a small portion of the entire plot is displayed. Right click and select exit. Right click, exit. Okay. In the plot area, expand the what to plot drop down list and select Windows. So in the what to plot area, expand the drop down list and select Windows. So that's there, and there's window there. Okay. Draw a window around the elevators and stairs viewport. So that's the elevator and stairs viewport there. I'll just turn off the object snap setting. So I'll just draw around that viewport. Yep. Oh, there it is there. Okay. A portion of the viewport, preview the plot. And a portion of the viewport is displayed, exit the thing. Set the plot scale to fit to paper. The plot scale is here, so that will be right up the custom. Perhaps not. It's not there. Must be somewhere else. Window, what to plot? Oh, there it is. Tick the box. Okay, fit to paper. And the plot offset to center the plot. Okay. And preview again. Okay, and the whole viewport is displayed, but it is not to scale. That's correct. Plot the drawing and name the file checkplot.dpf. So, yep, like that there. And we'll call this one checkplot. Oh, that's not looking good, is it? Caps lock. Check. Oh. Check I wish I could type without looking at the keys. Check plot dot DWF. Oh no, we don't need to write DWF. It'll put it in there anyway. Plot the drawing and name the file there. So we go save, and it'll come up there, and we can click. That's the details. Close, and hopefully it's in our practice file folder. Ensure that you are in the classroom wing layout tab. In the layout tab, plot panel, click preview, plots, yes, and click preview. All right, the preview indicates that the entire layout is going to be plotted as it was intended. The changes you just made to the plot command did not change the layout information. Exit the preview. Okay, save and close the drawing. Okay, cancel that, and home, here, file, save as, and it's College Building 1 AM. Save. Yes, and then we'll just close down here. Okay, and we'll come back here. Alrighty, so that's a brief run through plotting, and it's very important that you plot things to scale and be aware of the scale. So some of the things like fit to paper and things like that will give you a nice picture, but it won't necessarily be to scale. And the scales should be the same as the one that you buy at the local warehouse stationery or drafting shop. So your scales should be set scales or recognized scales, 1 to 10, 1 to 20. 1 to 30, 1 to 50, that sort of thing. It's very difficult to find a 1 to 17.8 scale at the local stationery store. In fact, they don't exist. You have to make your own if you want one like that. So scale is very important. Although it's written on most plans, do not scale from the plan, a lot of people use the scale as guides and things like that. So important that you check your scales and make it quite clear if something is not to scale. So plotting out your plan, that is the product that you are producing. That is the result in some cases of all of your effort. The people reading the plan don't see you working at midnight or sweating or shedding a tear here and there when things don't go quite right. So very important that your plans are perfect, because they're what your reputation is based on. And having a reputation for good, clear plans, mistake-free plans, is can't be overrated. It's something to strive and aim for, and this is why you'll find the best engineers and draftsmen are very, very picky, and they very quick to critique their own plans, and they really have some very strong and sound ideas on these things. So listen to them carefully. While it might be annoying in that, it will get you to a very high point in the CAD profession. All good. Cheers. See you.